A few weeks back, you guys forced me to order the T'au Manta.
Which is kind of scary. It's a lot of money.
The world's biggest purchasable Warhammer miniature, weighing in at 12.5 kilos. That's 60% more than the Warlord Titan. So this week, I'm going to let you guys experience something with me that most people never get to experience and see what you actually get when you order something for $1,700 from Forge World. My God, oh my God, what have I done? Let's go. This video is sponsored by Squarespace, the service that I paid to make my own website with. Hey, what's up? If this video goes live, it probably means that I'm on vacation because we pre-recorded this, so we get a few weeks off at least. This is kind of insane. There's 2 boxes for this one miniature. And honestly, I have no idea how big the parts are gonna be. I have no idea what's actually included here and how big the cast pieces are. Let's just open it up, I guess, and have some fun. See what's in there. Let's start with this bad boy. Okay, there's a lot in here. The first thing that I'm greeted by is this. I'm not sure if this is all of the plastic kits that's included, but at least it's the 4 like hammerheads and gunship drones. There's a couple of extra drones. I think this is just like the bigger ships that's in the bottom level. So that would mean that it's just like these big ones, the big ships. And there's 4 of these in the pack. So there is quite a lot left to have. And this is just one of the pieces that's included. And it's huge. It's like a full army, seriously. Okay, first Resin Piece. It's okay size. It's not the smallest piece I've seen. And these are like the connection pins where the resin is poured in. I don't think I could snip these off without breaking the miniature. I think we're gonna need a saw to kind of saw these off. It's quite a lot of bubbles here. You kind of have to expect these kind of things when it's a resin cast. See here, air bubbles, air bubbles. But the positive thing is because it's so big, like if you would have these air bubbles on a tiny mini, it could ruin a whole nose or an eye or something, but here it's quite fine. Probably no one's gonna see it once you primed it. Let's move on. Here's another one of the pieces for the XV8s, I think. This is the T'au Manta building guide. It's just printed sheets on like an A4. These are the guides, at least, on how to build the mini. The mini. Oh my God, there's so much in here. Oh, by the way, did you guys know that to cover the cost of this whole project, we obviously have sponsors in the video. So Squarespace just sent me this little box. Hey, Emil! Hey, Squarespace! Do you know that if you want to make a website? Yeah, I know. You can make a website with a simple click. You get an amazing looking professional website and it takes like 2 seconds. It's Squarespace. We all know about Squarespace. It's amazing. You remember how easy it was to create a gallery? You just pretty much drag and drop your images. And you have an amazing display of all of your miniatures. Yeah, not only that, we also did like a web shop where I uploaded 3D printable files like these busts. It took me seriously 2 seconds and people could download them for free, and it cost me $0 extra for Squarespace to host the whole thing. It's quite amazing. You, flap, can try Squarespace for yourself. You can visit squarespace.com/Squidmar, try it out, and when you're ready to launch, you get 10% off if you use the code Squidmar. Yeah, pretty much. Let's continue with the box unopening. Let's continue with the box unopening. Let's do it. What in the world is this? Oh my God. Oh my God. What have I done? So these would probably connect to become one single engine part. Maybe they are on top. Something like this. I don't know. Big flat piece. Oh, this is the landing ramp. It's a bit warped, quite a lot warped. I don't know if you guys can see. Big mold line here. But yeah, this is easy to file. The warping is a bit more difficult. Also got like a big dent in it. So that's kind of disappointing, but... Oh, this is where all the T'au models are seated. That's kind of amazing. You can actually select how many of the T'au models you want to have sitting. So what's in here? A huge amount of resin. It's quite oily, so we're gonna have to clean it up. This is the gate in the back. We open up. So cool. There's so many big pieces, like there's like 500 grams of resin. It's probably just some connection part, pin or whatever. Oh, here's a crazy warped part. Look at that. Look how warped that is. I don't know. That piece is a little bit too warped for me. The other one I could probably do without, but this looks like something that's gonna be part of something, that's gonna be visible. And having it this warped. You guys can see this, right? Oh my god. And this is not even half. If I thought the Thunderhawk had a lot of bits, here's another one, very warped. I don't know what to do with these. These bigger ones are quite okay. They're a little bit warped. I'm guessing we're gonna need a lot of like clamps to force stuff together, because there's a lot of warping going on right now. Okay, do we have anything more in the first box? Yep. These are such big pieces. I don't even know what to do with them. Look at this. What is this? It's like a chair for a big tiny miniature. Oh, here we got another warped piece. Super bent. Whoa! Oh, what the? What? This has to be probably 1.5 to 2 kilos. Just one piece. Oh Lord. We're gonna need a lot of good sanding sticks and a good saw. Look at this. Can we get a big miniature? This is the Void Dragon. It goes halfway up. Goes half the way. And this is a tall model. This is a big one. Oh my crap. So we have all the seated fire warriors. This is kind of cool. Means we could probably replace some heads if we want to. They're all the same. We could probably paint them separately so we don't have to paint them in place. That's really good. We have some really, really fun stuff planned for this. So I don't want to spoil too much because it's gonna be a surprise, but it's gonna be epic. I'm honestly in awe how amazing this set is. Some disappointment in the warping, but so far this set is looking amazing. There's a full box left to unravel. Okay, more drone parts. Oh wait, these are the guys that flies the ship. Look at these guys. No, this is just a robot. I thought it would be like a T'au guy, but it's actually a robot flying the ship. Or is it? Maybe that's... Oh, wait, that's armor in the center. And then we have just some form of tiny helmet. It's like Kroot legs, but they're super thin. Kind of cute. Just a lot of small bits, like stuff like this. I don't know what they are for, but probably something. Oh, here's the seated ethereal. He's got a bit of warping going on too, but he's really cool. Oh, here's something heavy. More weird stuff that we don't know what it's for. Some cool guns. Guess I'm gonna need, like, everything is gonna need cleanup. It's gonna be like 1 week of just cleanup. A lot of these pieces are of no interest. It's like an engine part, things like this. But it's like a whole bag of it. Like a big freaking bag. Okay, I think we just broke the record of the biggest piece. What in the world? Does this go here, by the way? Might. I think this might be the bottom part where you have the hammerheads. This is, I mean, this is cast in one part. I feel like they should probably have just cast everything in like 3 parts. Would have been a lot easier. Okay, wing number 1. Wow. We have drones both on the bottom side and the top side. This part is well curved. Such a nice piece. It's like a joke. It's so big, it's like a joke. Seriously, it's so big. It's so big. I don't know what this is. Could be the, oh, this could be the top, yeah. So these pieces are quite easy to match up. Seriously though, seriously. Again, let's bring out this boy. Oh, these pieces are so cool. These are the pieces you came here for. My God. Just look how, like, it's one small area there. This is Robot Gilliman. There's like one engine part. And I mean, this is a big miniature. This is just the front. This is just the front. Look at this. Like the size comparison. It's crazy. And this is the biggest base that Warhammer has. And it's not even like covering a fraction of the Manta. So here we got the front. I don't know how it's gonna go on there, but... Okay. It's the last piece. We got the wing here. It is seriously so big. I wonder if I have the cutout paper I did previously. See how close I was. Oh, look at this. I was really close. It's actually bigger than the paper I did. It's actually bigger. How is this possible? I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. I'm also probably gonna be very frustrated at times. It's gonna be epic. Just look at the pieces. The wing parts are probably my favorite. Like the curve is so smooth. My biggest disappointment is all the warped parts, because a lot of these warped bits are gonna be inside, and I don't know how I'm gonna clamp it or like weigh it down without breaking stuff. So let's see how that goes. Don't forget to check out Squarespace, this week's sponsor. And if you use the code Squidmar, you get 10% off, so don't forget to check out that. Thanks to my patrons, like without you guys, I would not be able to do this because all the sponsors' money for a few weeks are gonna go to recovering the cost of this. So thank you so much. And with that said, have a great day. Bye-bye. It's like 5 minutes, 6 minutes. I don't know. It's huge. It's huge.